tonight I'm going to be demoing another LipSense color. It's a limited edition color that is out for Valentine's Day. It is called Sweetheart Pink. It's amazing. I've seen it on several people. I haven't tried it yet, so this is going to be a first for both of us. Well, for all of us. I hope there's more than just me and one other. Anyhow, tonight I'm going to show you how we do our LipSense. 3 simple colors. Again, our 3 simple layers. Oh, tonight we're going to do 3 simple layers. Nothing special, just very simple. I've already shaken this up for probably about 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and shake it a few more seconds. Tonight I have a full Senegence face on. I have a gold. It's new. It's the limited edition one, so I'm going to Rose Gold Shimmer Shadow Sense. I also have Candlelight as a base. I have Garnet in my crease. And then in my eyebrows, I tried something new. I tried a nude LipSense on my eyebrows just to see if it would work. And I actually think I matched my eyebrows pretty well. I also have my Cafe Latte on as my foundation. I have, what else do I have on? Oh, my eyeliner is Garnet. And then I have a little bit of pearl, sandstone pearl shimmer in the corners of my eye. Okay, so after you've shaken up your shadow sense, or your LipSense. Oh, see, mine was brand new. Did you hear that pop? That's what you want to hear, is that snap. Every time you get a new product from Senegence, it should be sealed like that for safety's sake. Okay, so you want to make sure that your product is completely mixed and you scrape off the excess. Trying to learn how to do my hair. It's a new thing for me, but anyhow, less is more on the LipSense. You're going to want to go with smooth layers from one side to the other side. You don't go back and forth. And it's always 3 layers. Never 2, never 1. Always 3. Once you've got your first layer on, go ahead and go back in to your lid or into the cap of your tube and just pull out the next little bit. Even when you think you have too little of LipSense, you probably have more than you need. Now, I sometimes line my lips, but I'm not going to today. Okay, so I find that with braces, it's very, very fun to wear LipSense because I don't have to apply it several times a day. It stays on. I don't have any of the chapped, or not the chapped, I'm sorry, the peeling, if you will. Like when you smile, you get some braces in there. I don't have any of that problem with LipSense. The LipSense stays where it goes. If you mess up, you can take it right off. There's nothing on my finger. Now, that's amazing. Just a few seconds there. Now, this is going to stay on my lips until I take it off. 4 to 18 hours. Again, scrape off all the excess. It's so fun. At my age, I'm learning to play with makeup again. And it's kind of exciting. I'm liking this color. Now, if you're somebody that likes to line their lips, LipSense comes with its own handy dandy little lip liner. It is all in one. It has a tapered edge that allows you to line your lips effectively. And something I learned tonight with a new trick that I found from one of my Senna sisters is the nude lip sense in your eyebrow. I had no idea that that would work, but it did. Okay, so now we've got Sweetheart Pink, beautiful color. It feels dry. I'm not tacky in any place. Got my Glossy, brand new. I think I have visitors arriving. Okay, so no color on the wand. That's what you want. So we have 3 layers of Sweetheart Pink and Glossy. Get your limited edition Sweetheart Pink or Be Mine lip sense now while supplies last. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks.